Good morning, grade 4. Today we're going to complete the sound. Let's first remember what we took the previous time. Sound happens when an object vibrates or moves. Sound can travel either through solid or liquid or gas, and cannot travel through vacuum as there is no particle there. Sound part 2 talks about the volume of sound. The volume or the level of the sound can be loud, as shouting, or ringing of alarm clock, or car's horn. The volume of the sound can be quiet, as whispering, or birds chirping. The volume of sound is how loud or quiet a sound is. How to make the musical instruments loud or quiet sound. Let's start with the guitar. The strings of the guitar can move by blocking. For loud sound, you have to block harder. For quiet sound, you have to block gently or softly. Second, the drum. The skin of the drum can move by hitting. For loud sound, you have to hit harder. For quiet sound, you have to hit gently or softly. Third, flute. The flute makes sound when you blow into it. For loud sound, you have to blow harder. For quiet sound, you have to blow gently. Fourth, violin. The violin makes sound when you bow it. For loud sound, you have to bow harder. For quiet sound, you have to bow gently or the further the distance from the sound source, the quieter the sound is. You have this picture, a man standing closer to the blender, and at the other side, he is standing far away from the blender. The closer to the blender he is, the louder the sound. The further away from the blender, the quieter the sound. How to muffle the sound, or make the sound quieter or fainter. Muffle, absorb, or soak up sound and make it fainter. Fainter means quieter. By using curtains, carpets, and air muffle. Echo. What is the echo? Echo is the repetition of the sound. It happens when the sound bounces off a hard surface, a reflected sound. How to measure the volume of the sound. How to know that the volume of sound is loud or quiet. There is an instrument called a sound level meter. This instrument used to measure the level of the sound, and its unit called decibels. The higher the decibel, the louder the sound. The lower the decibel, the quieter the sound.